Hi guys, welcome to the tutorial. If you are looking for a way to install a plugin on your WordPress dashboard, you are in the right way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a plugin in two ways. Okay, on your WordPress dashboard, let's say you have logged into your WordPress dashboard. You're going to see menus like this. The theme I'm using. Then look for a plugin menu here. Then you place your mouse, you place over on it. You're going to see something like installed a plugin, add new plugin editor. We want to install a plugin, so we need to click on add new. Also, you're going to see a lot list of plugin here to install. But if you don't see what you are looking for here, maybe you want to install a certain plugin and you don't see it here, you can just easily click on search and type the name of the plugin you are looking for. But here I'm going to install Wordpress. To install, you can just click on install and now your plugin has been installed. Now we need to activate it. Wow, so our plugin has been activated in minutes. To confirm that, you can just go back to your plugin. Then you click on installed plugin to confirm maybe the plugin has been installed successfully. So you can see it here, BB Press. That's the plugin we just installed. Okay, so another ways you can install a plugin is by going to the WordPress official website, www.wordpress.org/plugins. You can just easily search the plugin you are looking for here. Let me delete this, deactivate this one, because I want to install Wordpress in another way. So the second way you can install a plugin is by visiting the WordPress official page. So you can just search a plugin here to download. Let's say I want to download Wordpress. So that here we have it. Wordpress is a forum software for WordPress. To download, just click on it. Then you are going to see the details, reviews, installation, support, and development. I want to download this plugin. To download it, you can just click on download. Then you click on start download. Okay, so the plugin has been downloaded. Now to upload the plugin, we need to upload it to our WordPress dashboard. Go to plugin, then click on add new. Then you see add plugins on your top menu. Click on upload plugin. Then if you have a plugin in a zip format, you're going to see something like this. Because we want to upload it, you click on choose file. Then you click on you go to the directory that your plugin has been downloaded. Then you click on open. Then you click on install. So I need to wait for the plugin to install. We need to wait for some minutes. It take sometimes, maybe I don't know, maybe it's my internet. Okay, installing plugin from Wordpress. Okay, plugin installed successfully. Make sure you have this message, plugins installed successfully. If you don't have, that means an error occurred. Now we need to activate the plugin. To activate it, you need to click on activate button. Okay, so wow, our plugin has been activated. So let's confirm that too by going to the plugin. Then let's look for the plugin. Then you click on installed plugin. Okay, so let's look for BBPress. That means that plugin has been installed and activated. Thanks for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.